My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Skoda Octavia VRS. This vehicle has done 29,500 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have features such as voice control and cruise control. And on the screen, we can get quick access to navigation, traffic, car status, Bluetooth, and voice control. Put the vehicle into reverse. You can see that it comes with parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and a sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.